Sige, yung...
Ito sir, andito yung truck nila. Yan.
Huwag sa box. Halika, sana sila sa inyo.
Nag-confirm nga siya sa akin.
No.
Okay, one each.
Okay. Yes, sama ka guys. Okay, thank you po. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you po guys. Balik. Balik kayo. Tara ka, Vice. Dito kayo sa kabila. Okay. Ayun na sila. Ayun na sila. Ayun. Ayun.
Mayor, good morning po.
Good morning.
Dating election, boto ko ikaw.
Thank you.
Boto ko ikaw. Si,
Thank you, thank you.
boto ko ikaw ha.
Halika po kayo. Halika mga... Halika, let's have a look.
Boto ko Cisco. Idol ko Cisco.
Kanina pa ako nakatapit sa ano. I'll see you upstairs. Saan tayo? Yung sa Bungabong. Madadala ni Sol. Mga kusyal lang. Kaya, mga kusyal lang yung mga para sa butas namin. Nakita ko kami ni Mayor. Ito kami. Sayang naman, layo ng biyahe. One, two. Okay. Okay. One, two, three. Okay. Mga 800. 70 na lang. Ang ganda ng bawang. Teka lang kayo. Kuya.
Bata ka, di ba?
Laki ng binuha. Good luck sa inyo. Sana maraming mamasya. Tama-tama, sweldo sa isang araw. Magaling to mayor niyo. Si Hiso. Ito talaga, lahat ng ito yung tinatanim. Sa inyo talaga galing. Talaga locally.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, isn't that? Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable.
So nagtatanim na rin sa
Praise God. Ay, hindi na natin ang mamaya ko.
Ang nangyayari kasi sa amin dito, namimili. Pinagbigyan naman yung isa. Ganun ang tendency ng tao. Sa distrito namin. Hindi sila bumoboto ng dalawang sabay. Mas gusto din ito. Okay din yan. Binabalansin din yan. Sa akin siya.